Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. I have a very small piece of Aso'Oke with just 3 layers, and I want to show you all how you can tie this and rock this at any occasion at all. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold the edges of the gele. Thereafter I'm just going to make about 4 pleats. After making pleats, I'll place the gele on my head like this. This is going to be a V-shaped gele tutorial today and not the regular round gele tutorial. So I'm going to place one hand of the gele behind my ear while the other hand of the gele stays on top my ear. The rule for this gele tutorial today is 60-40. One hand of the gele has to be longer than the other hand of the gele. So I'll pick the shorter part of the gele, which is the 40 part of the gele, and I'm just going to place it on top my ear like this and make pleats. Once you do that, you discover that it has formed a V in front of your head. In order for these pleats to be secured, I'm just going to pin that right there. And then I'll take the 60 part of the gele and make pleats like this. I'm just going to make round pleats. I'll be placing all the pleats that I'll make on top of each other and not behind each other. I'll just place them on top of each other until I reach the end of the gele. At this point, I'll pull the pleats that I have done upwards so that the gele looks big, just so that it looks full. I'll just pull that upwards, and after doing that, I'm just going to quickly go ahead to arrange my pleats. Somehow guys, I mistakenly deleted the other clips from this video where I had the remaining hand of the gele twisted and taken to the back and pinned. So that is what you should do, just in case you want to tie this gele. Just twist the remaining hand of the gele and then take it to the back and pin it. This is just me carelessly trying to close the back of this gele. You can either close it or open yours. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and also comment in the comment section. So this is it guys, this is what your gele should look like. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.